Hey guys, long time no see and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another palette bingo for you guys. This will be my second one. I did my first one about a year ago with a Colourpop eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to link that video somewhere in this video so that I could go and have a look if you're interested. But this time I want to do it a bit differently because I realized a lot of people when they do the palette bingo, they tend to pick out a palette that's really colourful and with really pretty colour story in it. But I thought it'd be quite interesting in using a palette that is more of a monotone, monocolour palette instead. So today I'm going to use this Naked Honey palette from Urban Decay. I got this from a Black Friday sale last year, so it's already a few months ago, but I haven't got a chance to use it. So as you can see, this is brand new. So I'm really excited in using this for the first time, and I really want to know what the eye look turned out like this time. And so if you're interested, please keep on watching. Just like my first palette bingo video, I've already put in all the shade names from the palette in this Lucky Wheel app that I have. So I'm going to randomly draw out 5 different eyeshadows and then create an eye look with the 5 shadows that I draw out. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the first color I have called Sweet. As you can see, this is just a bit darker than my skin tone, and this, I wouldn't say it's matte, it's just a bit of like shimmer in it, so it'll be quite interesting as a base color. This is the second color called Flyby, and this is the lightest color they have in the palette. So again, this is like not completely matte, there's a bit of like really soft and pretty shimmer in it, so yeah. This is the third color, Drip, and this is a matte warm tone brown. The fourth color here, HBIC, is a really pretty shimmery copper color. Look at it, it's so pretty. So the last color I have is this matte mustard color called Keeper. So these 5 eyeshadows are the colors that I have and the only shadows that I could use for my eye look today. So these 5 eyeshadows, I mean, they're really pretty, and I could create a really simple and everyday makeup look with this easily. So we'll see how it goes. I don't really have a plan, but of course in this palette there's some really pretty eyeshadows, and just like, I mean, these 3 are really pretty. They're all shimmery. This is golden, honey, and cream. I mean, like, it would be really nice if I could have one of these colors to play with today, but I mean, these 5 eyeshadows, they're not bad. So just like what I said, I don't really have a plan, so let's just roll it. So I think now I'm going to use Sweet, the second color here. So I'm using my first color, Sweet, to create a wash of base color. Because this is just a bit darker than my skin tone, so it would be really nice to, just give my eyelid a wash of color. But today I feel like I want to do a more elongated eye look, so I'm just gonna draw a little tail here at the outer corner to give it a bit of a shape. So next I'm using this Keeper color, the mustard color here. I'm using this semi-fluffy flat brush, so I'm gonna use it here. So now I'm using this mustard color called Keeper to create more of a 3D dimension like depth to my eyelid, because as you can see I have like pretty much hooded monolid sort of eye shape. So it's really important for me to create the depth that I need. So now I'm using my third color, Drip, using a wing liner brush, because I want to create a like more harsh shape at the outer corner here. Hopefully it'll work. So now I have 2 really dramatic looking like wing shape here, and so I'm going to use the mustard color again, Keeper, with the same brush, trying to like fuse it on the outer edge here to make it more like blended and less harsh, and then redefine the shape I created earlier, just to add more, again, dimension, because that is really important. And then I'm going to use this really pretty shimmery color HBIC and then put it in the outer corner here underneath the line I created. I'm going to get a bit more of sweet and then trying to blend the mustard color more evenly because the color is not very blended, I feel like. So now I'm going to use another flat brush and then pick out this flyby color here, the lightest one, and then put it in my inner corner and then blend it with the shimmery color I put on earlier to create a radiance. And with the same flyby color, I'm going to highlight my brow bone as well. And then I'm going to use drip again to put it on my lower lash area and then connect it with the little shape I created earlier. So my eyeshadow is pretty much done. As you can see, they're not very balanced because I have a window here, so it sort of cancel out the color on this side. So if I, give a bit of shadow, they look pretty much the same. So yeah, I'm going to draw my eyeliner and create a bit of a graphic here and see how it goes. So now I'm drawing my eyeliner. I'm trying to follow the shape I created earlier with the eyeshadow and create some graphic liner along the shape. So now I have the graphic eyeliner on, following the shape that I created earlier. So now I want to create more depth of the shape. So I'm going to use the same drip color here and just following the outer like triangle here just to add more shadow and depth here. So now I'm pretty happy with what it looks like, but I want to add more highlights on the inner corner here, so I'm going to use the same lightest color here, Flyby. I mean, I don't have many options, and just to highlight the inner corner. And then now I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and then I'm going to come back with my final look. So this is my finished makeup look. I'm very happy with how it turns out. I think it looks a bit like an Egyptian inspired makeup look. So yeah, I'm really happy with the eyeshadow palette as well because the eyeshadow quality, as usual, they're really good. I think I'm going to use more of these palettes from now on. So yeah, I think on camera, my eye look, they don't look very balanced. I think part of the reason is that I have a window here by my side. So the light sort of cancel out the color on this side of my face. So next time when I film, I'm trying to, sort of block out all the light so that I'll look better. So if I create a little bit of shadow here, the eye look pretty much look, pretty similar. So yeah, I'm really happy with, the overall look. And so I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more coming videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.